have a sweet tooth, so I am about to make some cookies. I'm going to make some brown butter, boneless caramel cookies, brown butter chocolate chip, and brown butter caramel and pecan. You want to join me in the kitchen? All right, come on.
So there we have it. We have 3 different type of cookies from one mixture. We have the brown butter chocolate chip cookies. We have the brown butter boneless cookies with caramel. And then we have the brown butter caramel pecan cookies. Let's see how they taste. We have 4 different variations of the cookies, but they all have the same base, the brown butter base. Can you see the little specks on the cookies? Yum, that's from the brown butter. That's goodness. You want to see the little specks.
So the cookies are done, and I am going to have Journey and Jaden come downstairs and try the cookies. They look so yummy. I know I'm biased because I think all of my cookies are really good, but I'm going to have them try it, and I told them to be perfectly honest, unfiltered, whatever they think about the cookies. See you in a few. Okay, let's see how the inside look. Ooh. Okay, Jaden, do you want your own cookie or you want to split that?
I'll try this one. I'll split this one.
Okay, all right. So, who wants to go first?
Okay.
Go ahead.
What was this one?
That's just chocolate chip.
Oh, yeah.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You sure? Okay. Okay, Jaden, so you said it tastes like a what?
A small crumble cookie.
A small crumble cookie? I think that's a compliment, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's see what else you want to try. Which one you want to try, Jada? So I believe this is the boneless. I put chocolate in one of the bonelesses.
Mm-hmm.
So this is a brown butter boneless cookie. Okay, you want to try it?
I'll try this one.
Okay.
You want to split this one?
You want to split it, Journey?
Sure.
I think that may have, I think I snuck a piece of chocolate in there, but it's caramel in there as well. Oh, he's giving you the bigger piece, huh? Okay. But you gotta get the caramel too.
I am.
Okay.
She's good.
No, this one's good. This one better than the first one.
Really?
The caramel in it.
Okay. All right.
I like the first one better.
You do? Okay.
It's really.
Okay. This one is the chocolate chip with pecan. I think. I mean, is it chocolate in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay. There's pecans in it? Okay.
Yeah. Because I usually don't like the pecans either, but this is good.
It's good? Okay. Jaden is all
This
in.
one?
No.
This is good eats.
No.
This is great
I
eats.
can't. No, please.
I'll kill for 9. I'm not gonna lie. I just had some bread earlier. Right, I'll kill for 9. This is just caramel?
Yep, that's just caramel. That's the boneless.
I really like caramel.
Yeah, me too. All right. So how would you rate all of the cookies a 1 out of 10?
10.
9. Smooth 9.
A smooth 9? Okay, that's good.
I'll give him 10. I tapped out after 2 halves. I can't eat no more though. I think I may explode.
So there you have it. The kids taste tested the cookies. Journey gave it a 10 out of 10 and Jaden gave it a 9 out of 10, but I'm starting to question his rating because when the camera stopped rolling, he took all the rest of them. He ate about 5 cookies himself. I need to have a talk with that young man. Thanks for watching. Bye.